Hey everyone, if you want to sync Vivaldi Browser across devices in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to sync bookmarks, passwords, tabs, and settings step by step. First, Vivaldi Sync is a built-in feature that keeps your browsing data updated across all your devices using your Vivaldi account. Start by opening Vivaldi. Click the Vivaldi menu and go to Settings. In Settings, find the Sync section on the left panel. Now sign in with your Vivaldi account. Yeah, if you don't have one, you can create it for free. Once logged in, turn on Sync. Choose what you want to sync like bookmarks, passwords, history, and tabs. For extra security, you can set an encryption password. This protects your synced data from being accessed by others. Now install Vivaldi on your other devices and sign in with the same account. Yeah, syncing will start automatically. After a few seconds, your bookmarks, tabs, and settings will appear on all devices. You can also view open tabs from other devices directly in Vivaldi. This is useful for continuing your work anywhere. If sync is not working, make sure you're signed into the same account and check your internet connection. For best results, enable full sync and set an encryption password. Yeah, this keeps your data safe and consistent across devices. Never share your sync password with anyone. I mean, it protects your personal browsing data, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to sync Vivaldi Browser across devices in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.